the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light my way and lead this old man's sleigh? I said, Rudolph, my friend.
Hey guys, Angela here, and Christmas is just around the corner. And what screams Christmas in the kitchen?
Mistletoe.
Christmas cookies. And I am a big advocate. I've been cooking Christmas cookies since I was able to be in the kitchen, 5 years old. So here I am, and I want to share to you guys my favorite Christmas cookie recipes that maybe you could take on, you could make for the holidays or any day. What's stopping you, right? So let's get it. Let's jingle those bells, shall we? Because we are gonna be making Christmas cookies. So I'll be making a variety of my favorite Christmas cookies. Of course, we're gonna be doing some classic sugar cookies. And of course, I have to add a peppermint chocolate cookie in the mix. And my personal favorite sugar cookies are the chewy and the soft cakey kind. I'm not a fan of the cookie cutout cookies. Like, yeah, they're pretty and they're great, but I feel like they're not tasty. I like the soft round cookies with the frosting on top that you get from the grocery store, and as well as just soft, chewy sugar cookies. So let's start making those, shall we?
Oh, the weather outside is frightful.
Okay, you can do this. Are you okay? Call 911!
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler.
And so that's how the cookie crumbles. What do you guys think? 3 amazing cookie recipes that you could share, make, and eat during the holidays. Something about yummy cookies in the holiday season just screams nostalgia, just screams joy and cheer and weight gain. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love baking for a mysterious man that comes into your chimney every once a year. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Happy holidays. Take care.